Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming network and account access so YouTube can stream. With the box online, check for system or app updates and install them. Once done, restart the set-top. Now grab the remote, press home, open apps, and launch YouTube. This immediate sequence prevents playback errors later. You'll log into your Google account if prompted. Make sure two-step verification is ready on your phone. That gets you into the app and ready to browse content quickly. Once YouTube opens, sign in to access subscriptions and personalized recommendations. Use the on-screen code and your phone to speed entry. After signing in, navigate to settings to choose streaming quality and autoplay options so bandwidth matches your plan. Make sure casting is enabled and pair your phone for easier search and playback control. If the box is in a family room, set up restricted mode or parental controls. These middle steps tailor playback and make navigating long sessions simpler. To play content, use voice search or type with the remote. Filters help find recent uploads or specific channels. Control pause, rewind, captions, and picture-in-picture from the remote or from your paired phone app for smoother navigation. When done, sign out if on shared devices. If playback stutters or app crashes, first reboot the box, then clear YouTube app cache and reinstall the app if needed. Finally, recheck Wi-Fi credentials and router power. That last troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.